Scott Brothers is now celebrating its 113th anniversary. We're over a century old, family-owned dairy, and we are known as the largest private label manufacturer of ice cream mix and frozen yogurt in the country. So we specialize in doing custom formulas for customers all around the world, and each product is unique, meaning that we have to have a unique strategy on how we get the product to those customers. All of our mix is perishable. It's dairy, and it's going to have a relatively short shelf life. So we have to put product in, whether it's bag-in-box or tankers and totes, and in order to execute and get it across the country, we found that having product stored in totes is probably the most economical for production, and then also for a customer to receive and produce the product. Prior to CHEP, we had acquired our own totes, and so we had to basically bring in the totes, wash the totes out, fill the totes, get them shipped out to our customers, collect those totes, have them shipped back, rewash them, and go through that process over and over again.
Getting with your program, the reusable one, has been life-changing. It's been from night to day. It was actually a nightmare. Keeping track of them, knowing where they went, knowing when we're gonna get them back. Our guys had to spend numbers of hours cleaning them, prepping them. This way they come in ready to go. It's saved a lot of time, a lot of money, and a lot of headache on our end, for sure.
Back in the day, we used to number our totes, which it was kind of like a hard way to track them, because we ended up with a bunch of same numbers. It was a disaster. So when we introduced the scanning of the totes, it made our life easier. We don't have to worry about numbering, keeping track. So it's just a quick scan on the totes and pretty much forget about it. Every tote will have their ID number, which is amazing for us.
Our customers feel that the CHEP totes are a game changer. They have the ability to stack a used tote where it can be pushed off to the side until they're picked up. They're able to expel the product really quickly. They're very durable, and we don't have as much plastic usage. We don't have as much cardboard use as a result. So as a 113-year-old company, sustainability is one of the key ways of staying in business, and we do that through a variety of ways. Our water use here, water comes in, we go through a ultrafiltration process, and it's reused multiple times through the cleaning step, and then by the time it actually exits into the Chino aquifer, it's just as clean as it came in. And we use all solar here. We invested about $7 million in solar to power the operation, so our day's operation is powered by the sun. And then our usage in plastics and paper is a really key thing. And going to these CHEP totes, that's been able to eliminate a large amount of both plastic and paper waste.
Working with the CHEP team, they seem like they're always there for you. Whenever you want to reach out to them, they're always willing to take your phone call and help out any way as possible. And the program has just saved tremendous amount of time, money, effort. It's changed everything from night to day.